Nature in Oñati. We suggest a trip to discover the boundless nature of Oñati. From the highest mountains of Gipuzkoa to the town square. Except for the peaks of the Pyrenees, the highest Basque mountains can be found in the Aizkorri-Arrats Natural Park. These peaks are the perfect watchtower to view the space and beauty of Oñati's nature. But the highest peak in Oñati is Mount Artzamburu. The humidity of the Bay of Biscay is frequently unleashed on these mountains, but due to their karstic nature, the water seeps through the cracks and disappears. The weather conditions are extreme in this area. Besides these, in Oñati we can find other considerably high mountains, but of a completely different nature, such as the Elgeya and Urquilla mountain ranges, the border between Álava and Gipuzkoa. Land of merchants, smugglers, pilgrims, warriors. In Neolithic times, our ancestors turned the numerous forests into meadows. This helped create beautiful livestock areas like Urbia, Duru, or Maya. These landscapes contain great biodiversity, which is maintained thanks to the constant pastoral activity in the area. Below the meadows, the mountains fall abruptly in search of the valleys. It is a land of forests. Among them we can highlight the beautiful Iturrigorri beech forest. The mark left by charcoal burners in another era is now clearly visible. Numerous pollard beeches populate this beautiful forest today. Created with the charcoal burner's axe, their presence enriches the biodiversity of the beech forest as they decompose and create many different shelters for wildlife. Bubbling mountain streams cross Iturrigorri. Nature has been generous to Oñati. The elevated crags of Arrats attest to this. The impressive cliffs of Orkatzategui and Aitzgain are a paradise for birds. The colony of griffon vultures that inhabits these cliffs is the largest in Gipuzkoa. But we can also find other ornithological gems. Aichulo, an incredible natural eye created by the constant activity of water, is also found here. The river Artisha that collects the waters from Iturrigorri and Arrats loses its momentum when it reaches the valley and relaxes. The activities of yesteryear become today's heritage, and we are talking about the old mills. Our trip ends between farmhouses, meadows and forests. A trip that has brought us closer to the privileged nature of Oñati. Oñati, da Biglia Neria.